At number 1, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. It's a top-tier plug-and-play solution for any pool up to 50 feet. Just plug it in and drop it in. Its smart navigation maps efficient paths, effortlessly avoiding obstacles and navigating unusual shapes for total coverage. With 4,500 GPH suction and dual scrubbing brushes, it climbs walls to tackle leaves, algae, and fine debris everywhere. And with full Wi-Fi connectivity, you can schedule, start, and monitor cleanings anytime, anywhere with the My Dolphin Plus app. When it's done, the top-loading filter is effortless to empty, and the anti-tangle cord ensures hassle-free retrieval. For reliable set-and-forget performance, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is the ultimate value. Your pool, perfectly clean, with minimal effort.
At number 2, we have the Dolphin Escape Robotic Pool Cleaner. This model is a beast. Its high-speed hyperbrush spins to scrub away the toughest algae and grime. Tank-like hypergrip tracks provide incredible traction on any pool surface, from vinyl to gunite. It uses dual energy-efficient motors for powerful cleaning without the high energy bill. Smart Nav navigation ensures it covers your entire pool efficiently, avoiding every obstacle. And the oversized filter holds way more debris, meaning less frequent cleanings for you. Lightweight, durable, and powerful, the Dolphin Escape is the smart choice for a sparkling clean pool. Introducing the Aiper Scuba S1 Robotic Pool Cleaner. This lightweight powerhouse is cordless and handles floors, walls, and the waterline with ease. Powered by WavePath 2.0 navigation, it provides systematic coverage, ensuring every inch of your pool is reached. With its caterpillar treads, it conquers slopes, stairs, and drains effortlessly. Plus, the revolutionary micromesh filtration captures everything from leaves to fine sediment. With up to 180 minutes of battery life in eco mode, the Scuba S1 offers unparalleled value and performance for any pool. Aiper Scuba S1. Bring the vacation home.
At number 4, we have the Dolphin E10 Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. This affordable, lightweight cleaner is the perfect entry-level solution for smaller above-ground pools up to 30 feet. It focuses on thorough floor cleaning with active scrubbing brushes that spin faster than the unit's movement for a deep clean. Featuring smart navigation that scans your pool for the most efficient cleaning paths, paired with a powerful 4,000 GPH suction. Setup is as simple as plug and play. Just drop it in for a 90-minute cleaning cycle. And when it's done, the top-loading filter makes emptying and rinsing a breeze. With reliable performance on leaves, dirt, and sand, and durable rubber tracks, it's a solid build for under $600. The Dolphin E10, a no-frills but effective choice for owners who mainly need excellent floor cleaning. Your hassle-free pool maintenance solution.
At number 5, we have the Beatbot AquaSense 2 Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 is a premium cordless robotic cleaner packed with advanced features for large in-ground pools up to 3,230 square feet. It uses 16 precision sensors for smart mapping and obstacle avoidance, S-pattern floor cleaning plus N-shaped paths for walls and waterline, and high suction of 5,500 GPH from multiple powerful motors. It performs double pass waterline scrubbing, automatically surfaces and parks when done, or battery is low for easy retrieval, and offers up to 4 hours of runtime on a large battery. App control, surface parking, and thorough multi-zone cleaning make it stand out. Users and reviews praise its precise coverage, especially on irregular shapes, strong performance on large debris loads, and overall convenience.